Mommy Sal and Dad and Tito Brian went on Hanger Bus, and my daddy said,
steady with the camera.
Yeah.
Steady.
And my daddy said it's better to be safe than sorry. My daddy, y'all, for 5 minutes. The cars were almost. I think that was the mountain right there. We're going to go, but we have to walk like. Oh my gosh, it's Mount Rushmore. Yo! That's Mount Rushmore. That's Mount Rushmore. That's Mount Rushmore. Yo! I paused the video because I was just way too excited. And guys, I saw it. I literally saw it. But twice.
Ito yung weather namin ngayon dito. It's a little bit rainy and okay guys, so dito na kami sa may Mount Rushmore, but unfortunately it's raining.
Children.
Mount Rushmore National Memorial.
I thought you could buy an umbrella. I have. Mama! Are you wearing shorts? Yes! Oh my gosh. So go and buy an umbrella.
Doon si Arya.
Yeah, that's why
Hi, Tita.
I told you to wear rubber shoes. But you said that was mud.
There's no bad, it's just wet.
Oh shoot, there's gonna be gold!
Natulog na si Addison.
Siya ng lola mo nakaganyan ka.
May tagapayong pa oh. Social.
Aba? Ayos ba?
Yeah. Relax na siya eh.
Hurry up, dali. Si lola mo. Yeah, na-shorts pa si lola mo. Yan ang tinatawag na forma versus. She's ganda.
Nice, tita.
Yan ang tinatawag na tiis. Ayaw, tita, maganda sa camera. Yan, so nice.
Oh.
Yan ang tinatawag na tiis. Ganda. Sino yung nakashort? Picturean mo nga kami.
Katniss. Akin na.
Inanin niya, nakamuong na jacket lang oh. Kaya. Ganda rin.
Parang gagala lang sa mukha.
Kala mo, ano lang eh. Ikaw naman Brian, mag-picture sa amin. Si Kuya talaga. Ganito ang gusto ko nakuha niya.
Ito eh oh. Social na si Ari eh oh.
Dalawa tayo? Isa.
Akin na oh, bilis. Dalawa kayo dun oh.
Basa tita, basa.
Ako, kuya, kukuha.
Sige lang. Christine, apat tayo.
Kuya, ikaw na, akin na. Sabay kayo.
Sige, kukuha ka ng apat. Yung payong, mami, pangit yung payong, pangit.
Tiis ganda ulit.
Tiis ganda muna.
Kunin mo yung ano, kunin mo yung...
Sige, tita. 1, 2. 1, 2. Puno mo kami.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. More. 2, 3. There you go.
Okay. Okay na. I need to review.
Sige, tita. Review muna, review.
Maganda, tita. Pero dali lang.
Oo, ayaw ganyan. Hila-hila ko din ganyan. Go zoom. Pang-una, first time. Nagturo niya kanina eh.
Kita wala.
Hindi ko kasalanan kung wala yun. Okay, maganda ba? Ano ba yan? Ikaw nga.
Ikaw siya naman, tita, walang paa. Akin na, tita. Dito na lang, sa may Avenue of United Flags.
Turo ko sa'yo.
Go. Oh, yan, welcome to Mount Rushmore. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go.
Na-video niya.
Na-video ako kanina eh.
Baba muna tayo sa...
Halika, let's go.
Ayan! Ayan, nagpapakita na naman. Hoy, nagpapakita na naman.
Ayan, baby sila dyan, picture. Ako, kuya, ako. Mamaya na yan. Yun na lang muna, bilis habang ano pa, liwanag. Dito kayo, kuya, dito sa may bandang gitna.
Saan?
Dito. Hindi, pwede na. Tayo kayo. Uy, Sia!
Ay, tawagin niyo si Sia!
Sia! 1, 2, 3 Sia! Yan.
Alfred, Madi, come here!
It's not all about the destination. It's all about the journey. It's a 3 days trip. Nakakapagod na long drive, time and effort for everyone. But it's all about the experience, the memories, the ride that we shared. The destination, bonus na lang yon. But the real deal is the journey of the experience. It is the memories for all of us, especially for the kids. It's a timeless experience. And this video is a witness, is something na pwede namin balikan in the future kung sakasakaling maisipan namin panoorin ulit yung pagpunta namin dito sa South Dakota. That as a family, together with the young kids, with our partners and our relatives, this is something that is worth keeping. This is something that will never gonna change. Meron na.
Hello guys. Let's go. Let's go now. O, pumunta ka na. Sige na.
Punta, go. Wala. Nagpabuhat na.
Yeah.
Walking together.
Walk together. You and Rizzy are besties.
Kasi,
Rizzy and
Maddie are besties.
And you, who is your bestie?
Oh, my bestie?
Yeah.
Oh, it's definitely my bestie. That's my bestie.
Ako nga, what?
bye. I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
If you come.
Ayan, alis na kami. Ano kuya?
Oo.
Sana tayo. Yun na ro, sininyas na ni kuya. So doon na tayo.
Alam na this.
Alam na this. Ayan, hindi kanina nagpakita yung bundok. Pero at some point nagkaroon din ng magandang kuha doon kanina. So bali ngayon, paalis na kami rito sa Mount Rushmore. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa kainan. And that's it for this video.
The mountain has had many names. The Lakota holy man, Black Elk, called it the Six Grandfathers, describing 6 ancestral spirits. Before Mount Rushmore, it was